Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be showing you how to edit a product on Selar. So you might have uploaded a product on Selar, whether physical or digital product, and while uploading you made a mistake. I'll be showing you how you can edit and change all these mistakes. But before that, you already know the drill. Subscribe to this channel and like and share this video. So let's dive right into the video. Like I said, I'll be showing you how to edit for both physical and digital product. So you have to get your laptop because the phone version of Selar won't allow you to make these changes. So you grab your laptop, log in your Selar account, and then you go to your dashboard. So this step works for both digital and physical product. On the top right of your screen, you're going to click on the menu. Then you're going to click on products. After you click on product, you're going to see all products. So you click on all products. After you click on all products, it's going to take you to a list of all the products that you have uploaded on Selar. So you're going to click on the one that you want to edit. So I'm just going to click here, and after I click that, it's going to bring out a list, and you're going to click on edit. So now this page here is the page that you can edit your product. So anywhere that you made a mistake, this way you can edit it. So you're going to edit your product details. For instance, you made a mistake with the picture, you can just press this X here and delete it and upload another one. Also, if you made mistake in the product name, you can also click on the product name and you can change it as well. So here I'm just changing the prices and also the product description. If you made a mistake in the description, you can delete it as well or type some more. And the category as well, you can edit the category and the subcategory and even the pre-order. If it's a pre-order product and you forgot to mention that it's a pre-order product, you can as well change it here. And also the variation, if it has other variation, you can include that as well. And this works for both physical and digital products, so it doesn't matter which of the products, you can edit it this way. So now you're going to go down, and for digital products, if it's a downloadable file and you uploaded it as a read online file, you can just change it to a downloadable file, and vice versa. If it's a read online file and you uploaded it as a downloadable file, so you can just come here and change it to a read online only. So you have to make sure that you've made all the necessary changes, and once you've made all the necessary changes, you go down and click on update product. So once you do that, all the necessary changes that you have made will be updated, and so your product is now ready to be viewed by your customers. So that's basically how you do this. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel so that we can grow together. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.